Hi guys, my name is Tanmoy and welcome to another session of Study PPC. In today's session, we're going to look at how to create a universal app campaign from Google Ads account. A universal app campaign is basically a type of campaign which is used to promote app promotions. With the help of this campaign, you can drive app downloads, app engagements, and pre-registrations of your app. Okay, so let's begin and see how we can build this campaign out. In order to create this campaign, guys, we're going to go to the new campaign and we're going to create a new campaign altogether. As you can see, in one of the goals is app promotions over here, and with this the campaign type will be app, and here are the three options which we have got. So you can use this to install, to generate, to drive app installs of your business. Okay, you can also do app engagement, which is basically asking your existing users to take action in your apps. Okay, and also for app pre-registration, wherein you can ask new customers to register to your app. So in this session today, we are going to look at how to drive app installs. So let's begin with that. You can select the platform where you have registered your app. This campaign is going to be completely automated, guys, wherein the targetings will be automated as well. The Google algorithm will decide where to show your ads across the internet. So here you can go ahead and choose the platform, and here you can go ahead and type the name of the app which you have built. The app must be registered on the Android platform or the iOS platform beforehand, and then you can go ahead and attach it from here. So for training for this particular session, I am going to choose this particular app, and we'll continue with this. So the process is going to be pretty simple, wherein you have to fill up all the information regarding the campaign. So you can start giving the campaign name. You can choose your location targeting, the geographical location. You can also give your language selection as well of the customers what to speak. You can give the budget for this campaign. Now, since the focus is going to be on installs, so which is the best bidding strategy for it will be target CPA. Here we call it as target cost per install, but it means the same thing. So you can set your target CPA bid out here. You can give the start date, end date of this campaign as well over here. If you want to attach any data feeds which will be used for this particular campaign, you can do it from here as well. You can also, apart from your data feeds, if you have a particular merchant center account feed details, you can connect that over here as well in this particular option. Once you have filled up the information, you can save this and continue to the next page. In the next page, we are going to name the ad group, and then we can go ahead and create the ad. So as you can see on the left panel, you can provide all the information, and on the right hand side, you can see the preview of the ad coming up. So here you can start providing all the details. Provide as much information as you can, guys, for your business. It will increase the probability of people clicking on your ads. So like this, we can provide as much information as we can. You can also attach an image if you have any. You can attach it over here. You can see the preview of the ad, how it is going to come on the display network. This is how the ad is going to look like on search. The ad is going to come in all these places, and that is why it is called a universal app campaign, because we are running the ad on display, search, YouTube, and on Discover as well. This ad will also appear in this particular manner on Discover and on Google Play as well. Once you provide all the information, you can save this. So now, as you can see, the campaign is ready, and this will go for a check. Once the ads are approved by Google, then the campaign can go live. This is the ad which we have created, which has gone under review. Google will take 1 business day to check your ads, and once it is approved by them, then the campaign can go live. In this simple manner, guys, we can go ahead and create a universal app campaign for promoting our mobile apps. Okay, I hope this content was useful and you're able to understand how to build this campaign out now. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comment section. I would be happy to help you out with that. Thank you, guys.